Let's take a look at this example. This time we are going to subtract two mixed numbers. Okay, we have to find the difference of two mixed numbers. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract first the whole numbers. I have 2 and I have 121 minus 101, which is equal 20. Okay, so my problem right now is going to look like 20 5 over 24 minus 8 over 24. Okay, because I have to subtract bigger number from the smaller number, I'm going to convert this mixed number to improper fraction by multiplying 24 by 20, and the result of this multiplication I have to add to the numerator. Okay, 20 times 24 is 480 plus 5 is 485 over 24 minus 8 over 24. I have common denominator, the denominator will stay the same, and I have 485 minus 8 is giving me 477. Now, this is the example of the improper fraction. At this moment, I'm not seeing any common factor, so it means I cannot reduce it. So I'm going to convert this improper fraction to the mixed number by simply dividing 477 by 24. I have 477 by 24. 24 goes into 47 once. 1 times 24 is 24. Subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down 7. 24 goes into 237 9 times. 9 times 24 is 216. Subtract. I have 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay? And 24 doesn't go into 21, so my answer is 19, and I have 21 over 24, where remember that the result, the whole number, will go to the front, the remainder will go to the numerator, and the divisor will go always to the denominator. Okay, so I have 19 21 over 24. Please notice that 21 and 24, both of them are divisible by 3. So I can reduce this fraction, and my answer is going to be 19. 21 divided by 3 is 7, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. And this is the solution to my problem.